Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 41. A child that can receive blood donation from anybody belongs to the blood group A, O, B, A, C, B, D, AB. So you have 4 blood groups here amongst the options, and you are asked for the blood group that can receive blood donation from anybody. If you have to rephrase this question, you can ask what blood group can receive blood from any blood group. So this category is known as the universal recipient. Universal blood recipient. So let's look at which of the options fit into that description. Now, the blood group O is known as the universal donor. That means they can donate blood to any of the blood groups, but can only receive from the same blood group O. However, they can donate from anybody. That means any of the blood groups can receive blood from blood group O. Now, option B, which is A, the blood group A can only donate to and receive blood from blood group A. Likewise, blood group B can only donate to and receive from B, blood group B. Now, the blood group AB can only donate to AB, but can receive from any blood group, from any of the blood groups. So blood group AB can receive blood donation from any of the blood groups, from A, from O, from B. So blood group AB is known as the universal recipient, which is the correct answer to this question, option D, A, B. So a child that can receive blood donation from anybody belongs to the blood group A, B. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.